Can you see it as I can see it? Oh, it's getting too fast. Oh, it's getting too fast. Maybe it means something. Maybe it means something. That would be a disaster. Hi guys, my name is Anna. I hope you know that, but if you don't, I have my Telegram channel, which is completely free, and we trade together right there on binary options. I have 12 signals a day in my Telegram channel, so just proceed, check it out, and let's go. Hi guys, here's me Anna. Yep, of course, at the Quotex platform we're gonna be trading. I'm gonna be testing myself just once again, and don't forget, if you want to get more knowledges, more profits, I don't know, more anything that actually are all about the trading, you can find all the links below the video or just in my bio. I am right there for you to help. Perfect one. Let's start. Okay, this is us at a starting point. 500, 1 minute, and we're going to be using one of these perfect combinations, and I hope my periods and setups not going to ruin all these profits that are expected. And we go into this 10 seconds candles and currency pairs with the biggest payout, 93%, you know, and you see it. Chart trend cycle, in some cases really useful, in some cases really useless. Depends, it depends. And second one is going to be the momentum. Gonna be using it like that. So 2 line indicators and Kelvin channel. This is kind of, I know this is the channel, but it is combined by 3 lines, so we don't have any candles today, and that's the risk for me. This is not my favorite type of the strategies, if I'm being honest, but you can see this combination or recommendation of these type of strategies and combination are kind of, you can see it kind of frequently, so we gotta be trying to use it and I don't know, to deal with that, with all of these problems that can be using that strategy. So let's go. So getting upward, that's exactly the situation. The type of the situation that I actually meant when I was talking about usual sharp trend cycle, because you can see nothing. You just cannot see the whole line. Maybe it means something. Maybe it means something, right? But I don't know what it means. So right there, 10 second candles maybe was the killer right there. But my assumption, my expectation was, if you're going to be checking the momentum, we are kind of at the bottom of that chart. So that means we don't have much space to go any lower and lower and lower. Of course, this chart may adjust somehow or may not. But anyway, I don't think that we're going to be getting downward more because we don't have any specific signals about that. But I must say that's the bad one. That's the bad one because we are kind of close to this estimated level. What's going on? Oh. What was that? Exactly. So if you're going to be checking the big tendency, this is what I want to actually tell you about that. We're getting downward. So if you're going to be checking the Kelvin channel, we're getting downward. But just at the moment, we don't have any big signals of getting really and truly downward. That was the bad one. Let's go and try find something better. We're going to be raising it, first of all. And then I think that's, again, where's the sharp trend cycle, huh? I need it. I want to say I pay for that, but I didn't, but I mean it. I need it. 2 indicator strategy, where it's one of the indicators is a line and second one is the channel. That's a disaster. I mean, you need to be loving the risk to use this type of strategy. And I think that's all about me today. So, oh, look at that. It is, we can see it. Again, the thing is that this momentum wasn't at the bottom, so that wasn't the clear sign that we have, that we have the conditions just to go upward. But I think together with the skeleton channel, and anyway momentum was trying to get more upward, we are at this upward trend. But I must say this is the second awful situation. I'd like to show something clear, something nice, and something working. Look at this sharp trade cycle. Oh, a disaster. Look at that. Raising it again. But not so raising. Just because you're at the middle. I think it's going to be the rising because you can see the momentum going down or going upward. But we can see the skeleton channel getting more narrow, and that's bad. But I don't know. I think we still have some space to go upward. Of course, I do expect that's going to be the ending, and maybe that expectation. Oh my God! It might be that expectations of. Oh my God! I'm getting downward. Would be way better, because if I'm gonna be checking all the skeleton channel, I'd love to check the sharp trend cycle. But what I can say from this trade and the orange slides that we actually getting downward, so maybe the big tendency to go downward. You can see that from the skeleton channel also. But the momentum is giving us like we still have space. We can rise. Can you imagine if I would be rational about that? So I think we're gonna be getting a little bit, and then we're gonna get for the downward trend. That would be a disaster. Okay. Kind of peak situation, right? Can you see it as I can see it? Oh, it's getting too fast. Oh, it's getting too fast. Let's wait for that. I am already out of my words with that strategy in that market. So look at that. You cannot. I'm glad you can't read my thoughts, because what's going on? What's going on? Oh my God. And again, I'm gonna say this skeleton channel is not working. The periods are bad. The periods are bad, bad, and bad, because I'm just making all of that and all of this bads just being blind. So let's try to fix what we are having. I don't like this video. I am really, really upset that I'm gonna be just uploading the video where I'm gonna be cursing and talking about like, this is not working, this is bad, this is bad. Oh, that's not my final goal of this channel. I know this. Right there, let's look at that closely. We can see that the momentum here at the bottom, I think have just this stage situation where we can just, I don't know, we are just trying to get all these forces and strengths just to jump upward. I must say, if you're gonna be just reading the skeleton channel as a line, or I don't know, as a figure that it's helping us to see what's gonna be next, and I must say that we probably can see that it's gonna be the rising. Oh my God, look at this sharp trend cycle. Now we can see it. Oh girl, after I made this bet, after I risk it all, I am here with this nice green tiny line of the sharp trend cycle. So we're just done. I started with the nicest mood and I'm finishing that. Oh, I cannot say that I'm like the loser, that I lost everything. No, that's not true. All of them are profits, but this is not what you expect from the expert from the trader. This is not what you expect from the strategy that you've been actually creating, designed. This is not the case. This is not the perfect one. And I personally think the market was kind of bad also, because sometimes the strategy is bad. Okay, that's fine, that it was a mistake. But you will look at the market and you can easily read, you can easily see what's going on, how it's going to be, so you can find the easiest situations. But today, that was the combination of stress. So if you see that it's not working, if you see the market is tricking you, please better pause it. Better have a break, a coffee, I don't know, a sandwich with the cheese, and try to find something better.